Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy USD on Binance US. First, you'll need to set up and verify your Binance US account. This involves providing some personal information and completing identity verification, also known as KYC. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security on your account. This crucial step protects your assets and ensures a smooth trading experience. Once your account is verified, the next step is to fund it. You can link a bank account via ACH or use a debit card for instant deposits. Select your desired fiat currency, like US dollars, for your deposit. Be aware of any daily or transaction limits, and remember that bank transfers might take a few business days to process, while debit card deposits are usually quicker. With funds in your account, you're ready to buy USD. Head over to the Buy Crypto section on the Binance US platform. Choose USD from the list of available cryptocurrencies and enter the amount you want to purchase. The platform will show you the current price and any associated fees. Always double-check all the order details carefully before confirming your transaction to ensure accuracy. Now that you have USD, you can use it to trade for a wide variety of other cryptocurrencies on Binance US. You might also explore options like staking or lending your USD to potentially earn passive income. Remember to always research thoroughly before making any investment decisions. Also, for some great deals, including that lifetime warranty on socks, check out the links in the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.